Hello, this is Chris Roshnaut24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we'll be taking a look at an unboxing of the Logitech powered charging station for iPhone 8 and above. It has a 7.5 watt power capability, iPhone 8 or later. So that includes the iPhone 8 Plus, it includes the iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max, and 10R. So this gives you 7.5 watts of power. It has overheat protection. It also allows you to charge and use the phone in portrait and landscape mode. So that's something that a lot of these wireless chargers do not allow you to do. So we like that. This is QI certified, so it'll work with your other QI enabled wireless charged devices. So inside we like the box a lot. It shows you how to set the phone in even with the case. So we like that. Here's the actual charger right here. Take this out of the box. So all the wiring is attached to the back right there, and you just set the phone in right here, either vertically or horizontally. So we'll set that right there, and then further inside there's some documentation and looks like the power brick. So then you plug this into the wall, and then it has the cord down here that you plug into this. So it's very easy. It's just two parts, cord and the charger unit, and this is from Logitech. This will charge your phone in portrait and landscape, and you can use the phone at the same time. This is for the iPhone 8 and later. Thank you.